I got this drone in mainly what the biggest reason I bought this was the other day I was walking my dogs and somebody had one out and they just had a blast chasing it. So I thought I'd go ahead and get one. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here for the first time here. And as you can see, we'll take off this plastic part here. So we have the drone, power button. This is where the battery goes. We have some safety protections here. We have the battery, the tools to install everything, and the remote control, which also allows us, let's see here. Oh, okay, here we go. To put our phone on it. So I'll go ahead and get everything set up on here and we'll test it out. All right, it's been super easy to assemble. When you attach these on the bottom, you'll have 2 screws that you screw in, and these blade protectors easily just snap right on. Right there, and right here. And got it all assembled. We'll go ahead and get it all charged up and test it out now. All right, I'm still taking the time to learn how this all works here too. They are semi-complicated, but they're a heck of a lot of fun. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on by hitting the power. These lights start to blink. I'm gonna hold the handle down and hit the button. It's searching for it now when you go up, and I've connected to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it out here a little bit further. And I also have my phone here, which I'm gonna connect to the hotspot on the drone. So I go to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna connect to the drone. I'm connected to it now. Then when I go back to the app, I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to my controller here by flipping this up. And then I can see what the drone actually has going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit up. All right, so I'm bringing it back towards us. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the emergency land button, and it lands it all by itself. Really fun.